Go ahead.
Because the North and South both wanted to establish a number between tax votes and regular voting.
Yeah, because the South wanted to establish what now?
The South would not consider
A little bit loud.
taxable.
A little bit loud. No, I just can't hear you. I want to make sure it gets on film. A little bit louder.
The Three-Fifths Compromise, the South, like, agreed to, what'd they do?
The South agreed. Anybody in the group? 4, 3, 2,
Oh,
1.
they agreed to make for like every 5 slaves they counted them as 3.
That's 3 what?
As 3 people.
And so what does that really make a slave?
Less.
It makes a slave less than a person, which means they're not equal. Again, if you can explain it to me, it works, but you were almost out. Go, Karen's group.
Version of independence would probably focus on all 3 of them just because it was originally made to consider equality and whatnot, but in reality, it was originally made for the rich white people as compared to like women.
Originally made for the rich white people?
All right, it was, come on back in the group. It was originally put out, but it really only was for, the rich, older, white, wealthy people as compared when we still had, black people and women in the country as well, like voting and whatnot.
Okay, I need a little more on this. 5,
When they were not,
4,
we were not as equally represented because
So
not
not
everyone
everyone
was
was
rich and had the power that the other,
3,
that the power had.
2, 1. Y'all buy that? No, they're out. Nick's group, go. Give me a fact.
All right, equality.
What about equality?
The 3 different plans for setting up the forms of Congress. There was the Virginia plan, which had to do with the more.
Which one was based on equality for our purposes, just for
Which
time?
one? The Connecticut Compromise. So the Connecticut Compromise took them both together. Based on equality was the New Jersey plan.
The New Jersey plan was based on equality, and it said what?
It said that every state should get the same number of votes.
Every state should get the same voice in the new Congress. Jack's group, go.
Okay, we're going to do freedom, the 1808 compromise.
What about the 1808 compromise?
It was intended to end slavery, gave states 20 years to stop the slave trade.
It was intended to end slavery.
It was intended to strangle slavery because you couldn't trade.
Intended to, okay, so it was intended to end the slave trade.
End the slave trade.
Thank you,
Slavery
that's important. Go.
Slavery will end along with that. What actually happened was everyone started hoarding slaves together. Hoarding, and then it drove the roots of slavery deeper.
So slavery got deeper, which eliminated more and more freedom.
It eliminated.
Absolutely. Go, Phil's group. Erase us. Nick's group, go.
All right, going to equality with polygamy. How in the First Amendment they have the right to freedom of religion.
Okay.
And the Supreme Court shot them down because of they said it was not the original intent.
It was not the original intent, so basically you could say that you're not free to practice your religion,
Right.
or all religions weren't treated equally under the First Amendment. Jack's group, go.
Okay, we're going to do freedom, the purchase of land from poor people to make a condominium. Does the state have the right to come in? Eminent domain.
Eminent domain.
Does the state have the right to come in, buy your land, force you to move out of your house, and then build a condominium?
And what are they basically taking from you?
They're basically taking your house, your land.
Your land, your property, your pursuit of happiness.
Yeah,
Has that been said?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's been said. All right, Nick's group. Yeah. Nick's group, write your name on a paper. Write your name, all of you sign it. Give me +4 on that and give me that. Jack's group, write me all of the names of your
The winners,
Put
the winners.
+2 on that and bring that up. I will have this post. No. I will have this posted this weekend. Have a safe weekend. I'll see you on Tuesday.